Hi, I'm Will with Precision ATV, and this is our custom track bar kit for a 2021 Polaris RZR. And all these parts are keyed together, slotted and tabbed for ease of welding. And this bolts underneath the vehicle and then welds to the A-arm. The advantage of this kit is it will prevent damage to the suspension components from the extra torque created by portal axles. If we install this kit for you, we can guarantee that there won't be any binding and you'll have full suspension travel, and this will be custom fit to your buggy.